Changing bank accounts in the Money view is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, open the Money View application and log in to your account. Next, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Here, select Bank Accounts from the list of options. On the Bank Accounts page, tap on the Add Bank Account button. After that, enter your new bank account details, including the bank name, account number, and IFSC code. Review the information carefully and ensure it is correct. Tap on the Next button to proceed. Next, verify your new bank account by entering the OTP, which is sent to your registered mobile number. So once the verification is complete, your new bank account will be added to Money View. Your new bank account will be the default account for future transactions. You can also manage and switch between your bank accounts from the Bank Accounts section of your profile.